Good evening. A great man is lying down today. The community is mourning. The family, I want to tell you, the person your dad was is the person who has brought all these people here. Take a leave of who your dad was. Continue with that. To the community, thank you so much for coming to support the family. We have given them a shoulder to lean on. That's what they really want. The family requested we talk good about their dad. I knew your dad in 2014. I'm very new in DFW by then. And Pascal Momanyi, who is here, is one of the leaders I had known. I was planning to run for office in Kenya, so I was looking for anybody who can help me. Pascal took me to Magembe at night. Then he told me, I'm talking to you again. Have you talked to Ongesa? I told him, I don't know Ongesa. Then he took me to Ongesa. We sat down. Your dad advised me and wished me well. I never knew that your dad wanted to be a member of parliament till today. That he wanted to be a member of parliament over us. He said, Erena Akuma. But then now, it is very unfortunate that your dad has passed when I have not become a member of parliament. But the good Lord we serve knew his intentions, and the will of the Lord will be done. Your daddy's wish will be fulfilled. Back to the community again. I've heard that somebody who died in Tennessee. I heard his name is Richard. Hapo kusiba wote hapa nchana kugiturwa kitara bagora. Kiana bagwire community tora chigiteir. Our leaders have said there's a responsibility awaiting for us. Ekromura bwita rumbeta. We have no option. Yasa tikaba seseni asa mogota chabwa goroka pakana ndekero tsara mmerembe. Thank you very much.